Hi guys, Rister87 here with another toy review. This time it's Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. Super Saiyan Vegeta, the prince of all Saiyans. In my previous video I reviewed Goku, but this toy is a bit different, actually from a different collection, and you do not get Porunga's parts with it. But with in this collection you can get much more toys. Let's see them. Super Saiyan Goku, normal Goku, Trunks, Super Saiyan Trunks in Saiyan armor, Buu with Gohan absorbed, Frieza final form, Kid Buu, Frieza third form, Perfect Cell, Vegeta, yep, this guy, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Piccolo, Super Saiyan Adult Gohan, Super Saiyan Vegeta, and another Goku with a different belt, and normal Vegeta. Nice collection. Okay, let's open this package. Okay, let's see the toy. Here it is. Here is Vegeta. You can move his hands. What about some other parts? Guess not. Just his hands. Nice. Looks good. Well, that's it for now. Maybe I buy a few more of them. They're not expensive, less than $3 per figure. I'll definitely collect a few more. That's all for now. Bye.